it's Frisky Hogs. We're just in the hotel and we're doing shit. Goodbye.
Yo, what's going on EDM YouTube? My name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug, and we are at day 2 of EDC Las Vegas. Day 1 was a shit ton of fun. Careers was probably like my favorite set. My phone did get stolen, but you know, when you got monies, you just get more. You just get it on a cell phone. It's no big deal. Ain't no big deal. Anyways, I'm hanging out with my friends. We're about to shotgun some beers. We will see you there soon.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Prude Handshake. I'm Frisky Hug's last known cousin. And today we're gonna talk about EDC Day 2. So we're here. I don't know. We're actually currently stuck. Prude, bitch. Anyways, yeah, so what do you got going on there, cousin?
Well, I'm hoping my phone doesn't get stolen again.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
really my only objective today, really.
Not cool.
I made a lot of money off your phone, but
yeah. All right, guys, and this is our friend, Bag Sums.
I did get a bigger, badder, and more expensive phone, so if they do steal it, they can make some real bank off me.
Damn, that's crazy. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate it. Good,
so
good
it's
shit.
either we wait in line in traffic or we wait in line at the festival. Well, obviously the festival just sounds like a better idea. What do you have to say, Sam?
that traffic yesterday was unacceptable.
Yeah, brutal. How are you guys doing?
Hi.
Hey, how are you, buddy?
Manny!
Yo, guess who's out here raging? Hey, let's go! We just out here, we fucking raging, bro.
Stoked to fucking finally meet Frisky Hog. Hey.
Ooja! We love her!
Happy EDC, guys.
We're fucking going! Happy EDC. These motherfuckers out here having dinner and shit. What's he doing?
Why would you shave your mustache off?
He's shaving it on stage. Don't do it! We're at Downtown EDC. We're waiting for Phil and Michael. They haven't arrived yet. They're taking an inner fest shuttle.
Hold on. I have a medium. See if it fits. Anybody else think a group for Radiate?
Oh, Alexi, you're one of us! One of us!
Every
This one?
One of us!
Get up, pick it up. One more large. One more large? All right, we got one more large jacket. Lots of stickers. Hey, we out here.
We fucking out here, bro.
We are out here.
Having a lot of fun?
Wait, one more. Sorry, my bad.
my car. Too hairy there.
Perfect. It's where it belongs.
I think it's Space Blazes! Space Blazes! Eyes are up here, bro. Eyes are up here. Here we go, driver. Let's go. Groove 24. Groove Day 24. Yes.
Hello?
Who are you calling?
Hello?
Who are you calling?
My mom.
There's no phone in there.
Oh.
Someone stole your phone.
Oh shit.
All right, so day 2 of EDC Las Vegas was fucking phenomenal. Back at the airport, so I went straight from going to EDC